Introduction to food definition and basic concept. Food substances that are ingested by living organisms and can be metabolized to perform following function. Source of energy, source of raw material for growth of development, to supply minute amount of nutrient to regulate vital metabolic process, to supply food component that retard the development and the progression of degenerative disease. The chemical component of food which perform these functions are called nutrient. Nutrition, the study of various nutrients and their function, food sources and their utilization by the human body and their effect on human well-being. Food sciences is the study of food sciences involved in understanding the nature, composition and the behavior of food material under various conditions of growth, harvest, transportation, processing, storage, handling and the use. Food technology is the application of food science engineering principles, selection, preservation, process, packaging, distribution, use of safe, nutrition and wholesome food. Food security. Food security is achieved by all people at all times for physical, social and economic access to sufficient, safe and nutritious food to meet their dietary need and food preferences for the active healthy life. 800 million people suffer from hunger. Food industry. Food is not only our most important need, but food industry is the largest of all industries, employing 10 of million people in all areas such as growing, fishing, processing, transportation, storage, preparation, inspection, distribution, sales and marketing. Food biotechnology, application of biotechnology to modify genes, animals, plant, organism to create the new species which have desired production of marketing of nutrition related to properties called genetically engineering, genetically modified food. Nutrition found in food include carbohydrate, protein, fat, mineral, vitamins, water and fibers. Carbohydrate in our diet, about 65 to 80% of the energy is supplied by carbohydrate. Carbohydrate contain carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Monosaccharides are the simplest unit of carbohydrate because these are not broken into further by hydrolysis. More complex sugar may be formed as 2 or 3 molecules of monosaccharides joined together. When this happens, molecules are formed. Monosaccharides are the polymers of compound. Many smaller molecules of 10 or more are monosaccharides joined together. However, most monosaccharides in nature consist of hundreds of several monosaccharide units. Fiber. Dietary fiber include non-digestible carbohydrate. These may be either water soluble or water insoluble. Water insoluble group which includes wheat products and wheat bran. Water soluble fiber include some as cereal bran and pectin. Oil fat belongs to naturally occurring substance called lipid. Common characteristics of lipids are they are soluble in organic solvent, ether and acetone. They are insoluble in water and most of them are dietary fatty acids. Vegetable oil and groundnuts, sesame, mustard, coconut, safflower, coconut, corn, cottonseed, soya beans and palm oil. Animal fats, ghee, buttercream, lard, hogs, tolos from castle manufacturing, Vanaspati and margarine. Proteins are present in all animal tissue composition. Proteins like fat, carbohydrate contain carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. In addition, they are about 16% nitrogen.